On the 24th of June, every year we celebrate the festival of Samzuang or Sanjao, as it is a popular festival of Goa. It is an eco festival, and I've made a floral crown which is called a kopel in the vernacular language. Now in this I have used only the locally grown flowers, the local flowers which have a vernacular name. This one is a pitkoळीची फुलां or Ixora in English. मागीर ही आसा रात राणी और नाईट क्वीन विच इज ही म्युसेंडा. मागीर ही शंकराची फुलां, हाका आमी शंकराची फुलां म्हणटात, ही तांबडी आसात ती. आनी कॅथलीक लोक हाका आलफूल म्हणटात ह्या फुलांक. दुसरें म्हळ्यार हांवें हातून वापरल्यान ती कलवंतां किंवा कलवंतां म्हणटात पळय ती फुलां, ओके, किंवा कलावतूय म्हणटात तांकां. आनी एक हें आसा तें पारिजातक, ही पारिजातकाची फुलां आसात. दुसरें म्हळ्यार हातून आसा अनंताची फुलां. अनंत आतां हें सामकें वखदी झाड, हाचो सामको फायदो आसा आमकां. आनी जाता तितलें सगळ्यांनी ही घरांनी जी हांवें झाडां सांगल्यात, ही फुलां जी सांगल्यात ती तुमी घरांनी रोवंक जाय. कित्याक ही आमची फंडमेंटल ड्युटी किंवा कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी की आमी आमचें एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्ट करूंक जाय. आतां ही अनंताची केन्नाय घाय समजा जालो कोणाकूय आनी तो पेकना जाल्यार ती पानां वांटून ताचो लेप लावचो आसता, ओके. आनी ही आसा आमच्या हाका आमी कपेल म्हणटात. आतां हे कपेलाचे जी फ्रेम आसा, द फ्रेम वीच इज देयर, इट इज मेड ऑफ बॅम्बू. इन दी ओल्डन डेज पीपल यूज टू ग्रो देम इन देयर हाऊसेस, ओके. टुडे सिन्स वी लिव in cities, we do not have much space to grow it, so we do not grow these plants in the house. And what I would like to tell people is, even if you live in a city or if you live in a flat, it doesn't mean that you have to give up your traditions or your culture. It is a fundamental duty to value and preserve our heritage. At any cost we have to preserve our heritage. And since the heritage policy was born in my house, it was drafted by my husband, Dr. Nandakumar Kamath, I feel that it is my right or it is my duty to preserve the tradition of Sanjao, any festival for that matter, because these are eco festivals and they have got everything to do with nature or eco philosophy. This is one part of the what is that, the environment which I'm talking about, the flowers or the local flora. Now another thing is that I've made patoryo, as you can see in this, the traditional cuisine which is what is that, made during the Sanjao festival. This is pansachi bhakri. Now there are two fruits which are very important during the Sanjao festival. One is the jackfruit and the other one is the mango. I've made this one, that is the pansachi bhakri, and I've made patoryo. These are amyacho patoryo or the mango patoryo. I've stuffed it with stuffing of mangoes and coconut and jaggery, okay. These are roasted jackfruit seeds. Now since we live in a flat in Mapsa and we do not have a chula at home, I've roasted them on a tawa, and the taste is exactly similar to the chula roasted jackfruit seeds. Now you will be wondering why I have kept this plant with me. Many women who are working women especially, they always say that we do not have time, आमकां वेळ ना, आमी खंय पातोळ्यो करूं, आमी खंय सान्नन करूं, आमी खंय सान्नां करूं अशें म्हणटात. सो हांव तांकां सांगूंक सोदतां की म्हज्या घरान हांवें अश्यो पातोळ्यांची जी झाडां आसात ती म्हज्या घरान हांव इल्ल्याशा अशा कंटेनरांनी, जे लोक भायर उडयतात, कंटेनर जेन्ना ते जेवणाचे हाडटात घरान ते भायर उडयतात, तातूंत हांव थोडीशी माती घाल्या आनी हांवें पातोळ्यो म्हणजे हळद रोयल्या तातूंत. ही पळयात हळदीची पानां, आनी ही हळदीची पानां वापरून जे घरान म्हज्या फ्लॅटान भितर म्हणजे बॅल्कनीन किंवा आमी विंडो सील म्हणटात, दिस इज माय विंडो सील. आय हॅव ग्रोन दीस इन what is that, in such type of containers, and I use this for making patoryo.